Jiangling Group New Energy 2025 Yizhi EV3 Parameters Pictures Plus model has been launched. The new car has undergone a certain level of configuration upgrade based on the original Yizhi EV3, and the product power has been increased to better meet the car purchasing needs of users in this market segment. Jiangling Yizhi EV3 Plus has a total of 2 models, both with a range of 330 kilometers and a price range of 62,800 to 66,800 yuan. At the same time, the new car also offers replacement, additional purchase, and financial support of 3,000 yuan. Choose one of the 3. Its appearance is not much different from the old model. The overall style of the new car is short and compact, and the body lines are simple and smooth. The headlights are connected to the middle grille, which makes a good visual integration. The 2025 Yizhi EV3 Plus is positioned as an all-electric microcar with a length, width and height of 3720 mm *, 1640 mm * 1535 mm and a wheelbase of 2390 mm. At the rear of the vehicle, the taillights reflect the design of the headlights, creating a smooth and dynamic feeling. As for the rims, the entry-level model has steel rims with white hubcaps. The high-end model has double 5-spoke aluminum alloy rims, which offer a sportier appearance. The specific dimensions of both tires are 165/65 R15. In terms of body color, consumers are offered 4 body color options: dusk blue, Xiangfei pink, moonlight white and Tianshui green. Each color looks very fresh and cute, and it suits the new car very well. Of these, Xiangfei pink is the most fashionable, as it is paired with a white roof to create a 2-tone body effect. In terms of interior, it has a relatively simple cabin design. The combination of light-colored interior and cloth seats looks very friendly. The new car does not have a dashboard. Instead, relevant information such as vehicle speed is integrated into the large central control screen with a screen size of 10.1 inches. Although the price is not high, it still offers some smart configurations. The entire series is equipped with Bluetooth key, voice control, mobile phone remote control and other functions. Although they are not very rich in features, they are very useful in improving the driving experience. In terms of power, it is equipped with a single front-mounted motor with a total motor power of 50 kilowatts and a total motor torque of 125 Nm. A lithium iron phosphate battery with a capacity of 30.24 kilowatt-hours is selected as the power battery, and the CLTC pure electric range is 330 kilometers.